Functions of the cortex. When scientists Gustav Fritsch and Eduard Hitzig stimulated parts of a dog's cortex with electricity in 1870, they found they could make different parts of the dog's body move. They also discovered an important principle. The brain's right side controls the left side of the body, and vice versa, a concept called contralateral control. They pinpointed a specific arch-shaped region at the front of the parietal lobe, running from ear to ear, as the motor cortex, which controls body movements by sending signals to the cerebellum and spinal cord. Later research on conscious patients further mapped the motor cortex, showing that areas requiring precise movements, like the face and hands, have more space in the cortex. Similarly, the somatosensory cortex, located next to the motor cortex, receives sensory information from the skin and body movements. More sensitive body parts, like lips and fingers, have more cortex area dedicated to them. Other parts of the cortex process different types of sensory information. The visual cortex in the occipital lobe handles sight, while the auditory cortex in the temporal lobe deals with hearing and language. Beyond these sensory and motor areas, most of the cortex consists of association areas. These areas combine sensory and motor information with stored knowledge. They're responsible for higher mental functions like learning, thinking, planning, and reasoning, making humans unique in the animal kingdom.